Hi everybody, welcome back. Here's how you can create multiple profiles for Mozilla Firefox and internet browser so that when some profiles are created, there will be windows. Each window represents a profile. So you can open links in a different window and then you can open another link in another window. Just like that. It's called multitasking. So when you're busy and then you want to open different links in Firefox without having to open another internet browser program, this video is for you to follow. So head over to local disk and then head over to program files, and then you head over to Mozilla Firefox, double click on it, and then drag Firefox into the desktop just like so, and then copy it several times like Control C, and then right click, paste shortcut, and then right click, paste shortcut, just like this. Rename these, like right click on the shortcut and then rename it, for example, clone 1, and then for this right click, rename clone 2, and then right click on the main Firefox shortcut, right click, and then head over to properties, and then after the last quotation mark type space dash and then P, just like this. Click on OK afterwards. Double click. Alright, the panel that says choose user profile has appeared, and then click on create profile based on the shortcuts that we have created. Click on create profile. Next. Alright, name it clone 1 for the first one. Let's say we make 3 windows, 3 profiles in total, and then click on finish, and then click on create profile again, and then click on next afterwards. Name it clone 2, and then click on finish when you're done, and then exit when you're done. Alright, all you have to do is to right click on each of the clones, right click, rename. Hold on, right click, properties, sorry, alright, after the last quotation mark, type dash P space the name of the profile according to the name of the shortcut, clone 1, and then no remote, just like this one, and then click on OK. Same goes here, right click, right click, properties, and then after the last quotation mark dash P, and then the name of the profile, clone 2 space dash no dash remote, just like this, and then click on OK. Now let's open the 3 profiles. Double click on it, and then for the first profile you simply just click on start Firefox, just like this. This is our first profile, and then this will be the second profile by double clicking on this one. This is our second profile, or our second window. And then for the third window, which is clone 2, there you go. 1, 2, 3. First profile, second profile, and then the third profile as well. When you open speed test, and then for this Wikipedia, and then for this Twitter. Alright, now you can now open different links in the profiles that you have created. Pretty easy, isn't it? Especially if you're busy and then you want to open different links on Firefox without having to open another internet browser. So thanks for watching, guys. That's it for the video. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.